Hello and welcome to the compiler. Apple killed Hackintosh by switching to Apple Silicon. Since Apple is designing everything on their own, this Hackintosh thing is no more possible, at least in the same way we have been enjoying. As a tribute and as my condolence, I built this Macintosh Mini. This Mac boots and functions just like a real Mac, but in the inside it's pretty messy. Here are the specs. I will cover this in detail in the upcoming series. At the front, obviously we have the screen, and this little LED through the hole is the power indicator. Sadly, this slot, which is originally for a floppy disk drive on old Macs, doesn't serve a function. But there's actually a hidden microphone behind the black fabric, which is important for Siri. And as we turn this computer backside, we have a cooling fan duct, I/O ports, and power switches. At the bottom we have HDMI or USB ports directly connected to Panda. And under this groove we have mains power input and buttons. Now I need a switch and charging input to directly access the battery inside, but that's something real Macs don't have. I needed to hide them somewhere. Then I noticed the Macintosh has this cover at the back, which is to hide the CMOS battery compartment. I redesigned them so that they can be flipped open and we can access the battery cutoff switch and charging ports. Boot chime is there, thanks to OpenCore and Audio DXE. We can choose between Windows and macOS. Let's see the audio input is working. I'll call Siri out. 오늘 날씨가 어때?
현재 온도는 섭씨 8도이며 날씨는 흐린 상태입니다.
알겠다. As you can see, it understands and responds very fast. But I have to speak quite close to the mic, otherwise it will not hear my voice. Every iCloud services are working. To my disappointment, YouTube UI is broken due to low resolution. Next, let's see how this Mac can handle heavy loads. In Cinebench 23, multi-core score is 1730 points. In Geekbench, multi-core score is 1486. This is about as good as 2015 MacBook Pro, which is tiny as I expected. Then the ultimate question arises. Can it run games? This Mac can handle reasonably complex 3D models just fine. This is now handling 3D design file of its own. This is originally modeled by madeincat.com. I will release the 3D file in the upcoming series. I will try to make other videos covering actual build log and components, like 3D printing the chassis and post-processing them, wiring every electronics and so on. Until then, thanks for watching and see you soon.